Next stop, Bathurst Street.
Your car is the best mode of transportation. That's true. Wait, you can actually. You can still use token.
No.
So why is it exchanging?
Next stop, Fun Road.
You said I could buy it. Okay, but now you said I could do it in my work. Remember when I walked to McDonald's for him? Yeah, but. And he said I could get some candy. You got me an ice cream. Why would I buy him an ice cream? Make them buy it for him.
We gave all our money.
We gave all our money.
That's crazy.
I need this. Now that. Can you hold on to this? I don't know about this.
We'll just put in it. You don't have like.
Oh, it's it.
You paid.
Why did you not that? Because I wrote it why.
Oh, did I get a lemon redemption? Why? Will you get one? Yeah.
Next stop, Witchwood Avenue. Artscape, Witchwood Farms.
Scan my.
I think that you would never go to the gym with me ever.
Yeah.
But that means.
Mia was talking to boys.
Did I get one? Did I get one? No, it's because she just didn't want it. Did I get one? Did I get
You
one?
need one.
But
Go
did I
on
get-
Fridays.
No, but my mom wants to get a membership. So should I get one? You have a membership. And I get one? Like, how often do you go?
Next stop, Christie Street.
Every Friday and tonight. I usually go to weekend. Yeah.
You're gonna go with the
I enjoy it.
like you think.
But I've seen it.
I enjoy it. I know it shows up.
Well, you should get one.
I was thinking.
You should get one. My mom wants to get one for me. And I'm
You
going
imagine-
to.
She'll be by Jam.
Yeah, we'll be Jim Rose again.
Not you. Your mom.
Oh. Hey, no, but that's toxic. We were supposed to be Jim. We were supposed to be Jim Rose, and then I never got a membership. I don't know why I'm mad at him.
Ah.
Big
Oh.
That's that make our friend like we're stuck to a human, but
I have to take myself.
for what?
I'm going to
Maybe?
go today.
For what?
I'm going to go
Today?
today.
You can see on that shit so easy. You can see on that so easy. Literally. The ticket people don't even fine is $500.
Yeah.
I did it and it didn't even matter.
Yeah, but did you get lucky? Yeah.
I'm not lucky.
If you got
You were with me, Jordy. Oh no, that was Jordy.
Wait, you guys didn't like pay for that?
No, it's not. Our sophomores fucking 10.
No, there's two.
We got off a duck friend, Mickey.
Yo,
Next stop, Arlington Avenue.
did they just spend $15 on ice cream? Ice cream.
1496.
Oh, yeah. That's what I thought. $15. That's wild, bro. What is cheaper?
Royal.
McDonald's ice cream.
Ice cream. What is cheaper? No,
It's so much better.
man. Is it, what's cheaper? What's cheaper? Maxie's or the place near us, frozen yogurt. Yogurt.
Yogurty. Just because it's frozen.
Well, you get to put your own coffee. And you get to put your own mail. And
Yeah,
also,
so like you don't have
that
to,
ice cream is not even like a quarter of what we got. Like what you're gonna get for $1.
It's so
Next stop, Winona Drive.
Like when they
large. No, just
Like
regular
more?
ice cream. No, you
Picture how big that thing is.
regular ice cream.
Like if we like got like 5 ice cream cones and stacked them up, that would be like that one of what we
One ice cream.
No, it's not. That's seriously crap.
The lady gave me some.
That's not ours was like a big thing full to the car. Aw, you know I'm right, buddy.
Yeah, well,
I
that's
think
what you
at
filled
least-
it with. Like if we just like
There's a difference. I was spending a dollar.
yeah, but that's because we get to choose everything that goes on. Except I mean I didn't get voted on
Ice cream is disgusting.
Pardon?
Yeah, ice cream is disgusting.
vanilla.
That's cow. You said like Bella. You and Bella are made.
Bella doesn't get vanilla. She
Greek
gets
yogurt.
plain yogurt. Plain yogurt. Like she doesn't get
Like
any
it's like Greek. No, she gets it the Greek.
the tart one.
Yeah,
It's
they
like
have a tart Greek yogurt.
with like a few gummy bears.
It's Greek yogurt. It's not fucking vanilla.
Have you ever had a
Good.
parfait?
You're weird to that. No,
Next
it's
stop.
only that.
Oakwood Avenue.
Yeah, I know.
It's like kind of sour.
She only has that and then doesn't get like any like good
She puts
ones.
gummy there.
Gummy worms.
Gummy
Yeah.
That's
Or
literally
it's the
adds
same thing.
no. It literally no. I mean like it literally adds
Just
nothing. It's
different
really like
shapes.
You don't want that to be the truth, but it's not.
no.
Yes, it is.
It's the same thing, just different shapes.
Because it
That would be
is.
like something else.
No, it's like there's like a different thing. I mean like. Why are you looking at me that way? What I think gummy maker ones.
Gelatin, sugar, flavoring, and dye.
You're not. You should. It's okay. Should I guess it?
The guys hate us there. We never pay.
Where?
We're rugby.
So you just laugh.
Like we'd like make it slushy or something. Oh,
Yeah, I feel like bad when you have to make your own thing and then you realize you don't have enough.
yeah, exactly.
So
Wait,
really what's gonna happen? At least we had. Oh, that would have been so embarrassing. We wasted like all this like stuff.
keep drinking. Keep drinking.
Oh, I'm talking about the food we were making over there.
Oh,
That's like literally like.
I used to be friends with the owner. Like me and Ezra used to go there.
Next stop, Cranholm Avenue.
I feel like you over. Maybe I don't mean to keep like you guys.
Yeah, we weren't friends. I'm joking. I used to like, we used to be like, no. He used to give us free toppings because there's like,
Like the burgers at Max. Like, ew. You were like a little boy.
Yeah, me.
I'm scared.
Look at you.
I felt
Oh,
so
don't
bad.
laugh.
You guys were laughing so hard at that poor kid that was like.
It just caught me off guard.
The first time you said that, after that, I didn't laugh.
I hate you. Sabrina was dying. at
I
that.
know, she just said that.
Okay, I need to put like.
She got caught. The teacher called, like, smiling at me.
Wait, what did it say?
The teacher was like, can you send a homework?
Next stop.
I was like 30
North Cliff Boulevard.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਭਾਈ ਦੀ ਕਾਲ ਆਈ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ
Oh, they yeah.
I feel bad for all the other
ਸੀਗਾ
students.
ਪਰ
When like a teacher has to rule like only one person in the class, it's like, why the fuck would you skip and then go say you're going to
ਕੱਲ
this
ਜਾ ਕੇ
class? That's so
Sabrina did that.
That's what I'm talking about. Just don't. Just be like, it's the same. Yeah, or just
ਕਹਿ
be
ਤਾਂ
like,
ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿ
I'm leaving
ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ
class.
ਵੀ ਆ ਕੇ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਲਓ
At that point, like,
What do you think I'm signing out and then don't come?
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ
I did that. Sorry, you like literally explained what I did.
ਮੈਂ ਕੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਸ਼ਾਮੀ ਵਿਜ਼ਿਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਭਾਈ ਦਾ ਫੋਨ ਆਇਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਮੈਂ
Yeah, I know. She's on 60 something like she was in school. I'm never gonna go again.
Next stop,
I barely
Dufferin
did
Street.
that.
wait, Mia, have you ever been to a full day of school?
Yeah. Yes.
Like 2 or 3 times.
Shut the fuck up. No, that's not
I was thinking about it because like you'll go in the morning and then you'll miss the afternoon. Like,
Yeah, it is.
it's still moving.
Oh, don't lie.
Whoa.
Why are you doing this freaking Kiki thing?
Excuse me.
What? You think Michael Jackson? See? Proof. You buy shoes too big for you. Do you see the entire
Oh
gap?
my god.
No way. Who's gonna tell? They're like, it fits fine. Like,
Because I literally put it aside. Like they're not supposed to be like that.
exactly. And then we're like, you have such small feet. You know, you
What?
buy shoes way too big for you. Your shoes. Oh wait. Never mind.
Because it's like, ugh.
Why are you buying shoes so big for you?
They
You
literally like
really
all-
don't. No, kick your foot like this, like this.
Yeah.
Girl. Miss Girl.
Oh my
Miss Girl.
Okay, anyways, what were you saying?
Oh my god, it's not going back in. She doesn't have a toe there. Now, anytime you and Bella ever say,
The accessible ramp will be deployed at the second door. Please use adjacent doors to exit.
Oh god, ow. Why are you like running? Why?
Next stop, Earls Court Avenue. Next stop, Lansdowne Avenue. Please look right for traffic when exiting. Next stop, Caledonia Road. Next stop, Button Avenue. Next stop, Silverthorne Avenue.
Monday you will let me know if it is scheduled, if you will be able to come to Christian. That's Wednesday, right? But after I see the doctor, I will come and stay by you. That's why after Wednesday. But Darren will let me know by Monday if you're if you will be able to come or not. Okay then.
Next stop, Old Weston Road. traffic when exiting. Next stop, Keel Street. Next stop, Gutzloo. The accessible ramp will be deployed at the second door. Please use adjacent doors to exit. Please look right for traffic when exiting.